All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol FRFS, requested over here on investorshangout.com. Right now, if you guys are new, we have the time and sales. It's going to show you the time, price, and volume for each individual trade going back the last 30 days. You can also find the recent news, filings, financials, and buy rating as well. If you're new with charts, you can go ahead and click on charts over here on investorshangout.com and the live for the live show. With that being said, right now what we're watching for at 0450, where you're currently at right now on the 30-minute chart right now, look at this. You guys are going to have a little bit of a gap in this area, but you guys are coming off that 0340 area very nicely, breaking through the 10-day simple moving average. But right here is what we're going to need to watch, okay? Watching for that break of the 5 cents. You guys get that 5 cents, it's going to be a bullish break over here, getting through the 20-day simple moving average. Actually, we can move that down to 0490 right there. Watching for that break of 0490. If you guys break through there, I think the momentum is going to be here and continue to move here. Okay, so we're going to watch for that 0490 break here. And if you guys get that break on the 30-minute chart, I think that it could continue moving. So now if we jump over here to the daily chart, now it tells a little bit of a different story. On the daily chart, we got a gap between the 0221 and 0340. But again, you guys see where this is at, 0490. Watching for that break above there. If you guys get that break above that 0490, you're going to have that momentum to keep going. However, if that volume does slow down here, this gap down here could end up filling and then bouncing off of there. So we're going to have to watch for this volume to continue, and that's what this is going to come down to, in my personal opinion. So there's a lot to go over here. Like I said, you can go through the charts over here on Investors Hangout to learn a lot more about them and how they work. But right now, we need to pay attention to the daily and the 30-minute. Resistance levels that we're going to be watching right now, 0490. 0490. You guys break through there. Look at this. There isn't going to be too much here, in my opinion, until you get to about this 06 area. Actually, I could put that about a 7 in my personal opinion, but we'll keep that at about 0680 is going to be the top of there. That seems to be where that's at. You guys are going to have your support levels like we talked about, 0340 followed up by the bottom at 0221, and then if volume slows, could fill gap at 0340 and 0221. Watch for the break of 0490. Okay, you guys are getting really close there. Like I said, if you're watching this video, keep in mind that it's 10:35 a.m. Eastern time when we're going through this chart. So obviously things are going to be a little bit different here later on once you've looked at this video, unless you're here live time. So there's over 500 people right now watching us do this live time. So obviously things are changing as we talk with the chart. Watch for that 0490 break on the daily. If that doesn't break and the volume slows, watch for the volume. Or if it ends up slowing down and the selling starts, watch that gap down there. Like I said, at 0340. This is going to be one that you're going to have to really pay attention to, in my personal opinion. But so far, starting to really hold them gains. Even though yesterday you guys had a pullback, it's starting to come back alive right now, instead of that being just a red candle as of right now. So FRFS, like I said, if you watch this, if you learned anything, make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and share this video with all other investors on different social networks, stock message boards, and stock forums. The more you share it, the more it's requested, the more I will cover it. And join us for our next live show. InvestorsHangout.com, InvestorsHangout.com/live.